Hey everybody, Anthony with Team Man's on here, and behind me is our newest listing in the gated community of Rolling Hills Ranch, 756 Crooked Path Place. Come on in, check it out. You're not gonna wanna miss it. This house is nestled in a gated community, which amenities include a park and pool. Situated on a corner lot with only 2 neighbors, this is one of the biggest lots in the neighborhood, sitting at 11,300 square feet. Immediately after you enter the property, you're here in the living room. 19-foot tall ceilings, matching luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the property, tons of natural lighting, and my favorite part, the beautiful matching plantation shutters. Come on in, check out the kitchen, quartz countertops, massive island, built-in water purification system, double oven, matching KitchenAid appliances, beautiful subway tile backsplash with that crown molding. Welcome to your outdoor oasis. Tons of usable space, one of the biggest backyards in the neighborhood, featuring mature landscaping, frisbee golf, putting green, outdoor fire pit, and of course this beautiful outdoor barbecue area. This property is so big, it even has its own built-in intercom system. Come on down for lunch. On the first floor, we have the mother-in-law suite with its own private bedroom and private full bathroom as well. Here we are in the primary suite, 9-foot tall ceilings, super comfy carpet, perfect after a long days of work. 2 separate sinks, vanity, jet tub, private toilet room, stand-up shower, and check it out. Instead of having a walk-in closet, we have a walk-through closet. Come on in. Just off the master bedroom is your balcony, 125 square feet of enjoyable space, but my favorite part is the private mountain views from here. If you or anyone you know is interested in buying this property with a backyard oasis, call me today for a private showing because trust me, this property will not last. See you on the next one.